What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to install a sound system in a 2016 Mustang Gt Premium. So right now I got the factory radio, and I'm going to show y'all everything y'all need. And starting off, if we go to the engine bay, let me just pop that real quick. Now, I'm not a professional, but I can tell you enough to do a good job on it. Just hang on, let me do this real quick. Alright, so I started off by doing, I don't have it off though, but you take these 3 clips off. There's one right there, one right there, and then one over there. So you just unscrew them and this thing lifts up, and you're gonna notice that when you mess with the positive on this thing, that you can't really take it off. There's this little square clamp, and you just loosen it and you put it over that, and then put the little nut back over it. And then I ran my power cable, I ran it behind the motor. If you look, it goes behind the motor. And then if you come over here, there's a grommet right straight down in the engine bay, right there, like legit right there. And where it comes out is it comes out on the inside under the driver's side right here. And I don't know if y'all can see that or not, but it comes out right down the top. You just have to get up under this floor. And I ran mine under this kick panel right here, but be careful popping it out because the clips will break. And I ran it all the way to the back to the seat, and then I popped this. I'll show y'all what I'm working with. I got 112 SoundCube HDS3, I believe. And I'm running a Boss amp, which ain't really the best. And my power cable comes out right there by the seat. And then for the remote, I forgot what fuse it is, but I use this fuse box right here. I believe it was fuse number 25, but I will correct myself in the description. And I didn't pop this up. I just tucked it up under this kick panel, and I ran that straight to the back of the car by tucking and tucking. And then the ground is simple. You just got to get a socket, and if you look right there between the seat where that pole is, you'll see where my ground is. And I used that bolt right there. I sanded it and prepared it. And then I tapped in these speakers right here. It's not the best job, but this is how I did mine. I got my line output converter right here. I put it in there. And that's how you do it. If you need any more questions about it, I'd be glad to help. Ooh, I dropped the camera there. But yeah, I'd be glad to help. And hope y'all enjoyed watching.